Many won't take this seriously, but if someone else can unplug your empire, it was never yours. Permission is the softest form of control. Every empire dies the moment it depends on another system to stay alive. Sovereign systems mean one thing, that is, building infrastructure you control, not influence you rent. So let us build a sovereign system. One, the rule of power autonomy. Audit your empire right now. Who owns your distribution, your data, your financing, your narrative? If the answer isn't you, then you are a tenant in someone else's system. There's actually nothing bad there, but you are not sovereign. You are scalable until denied access. Sovereignty means friction proof. No gatekeeper control your reach, your revenue, or your rhythm. Two, the new empire stock. A sovereign builder thinks in systems, not tools. The architecture looks like this: sovereign finance, crypto, direct LP syndicates, or private credit structures you own. Sovereign distribution, that is your own audience network. Talk about newsletter platform or channel with first party data. Sovereign brand layer, that is your media ecosystem. Every message, asset, or aesthetic under your narrative control. Sovereign intelligence, that is your data flywheel. Feedback loops that learn faster than competitors. If you can control these four layers, you are pretty much untouchable. Three, the no permission principle. Build from the outside in, not the inside out. You do not need validation, you need infrastructure. Start with what you can own immediately. That is domain, mailing list, audience system, payment rails. Own distribution first. Monetization comes later. No empire needs approval to exist, only bandwidth to broadcast. For the decentralized mindset, think like a state, not a startup. States don't wait for approval. They mint currency, set laws, and export culture. You can do this, you can do the same digitally. Your IP, your currency, your systems, your laws, your media, your policy, your foreign policy. That is sovereign brand strategy. Five to my favorite part, and that is the tactical application or solutions. Now, here is your sovereignty checklist. Migrate dependencies. Move your audience to direct channels, email, owned media. Build a sovereign stack. Self-host critical operations where possible. Monetize autonomy. Design products that do not rely on algorithmic visibility. Codify your ecosystem. Every platform should point back to your core infrastructure. That is your domain, your database, your control. Independence isn't rebellion, it is resilience. Six, the operating principle. The strongest empires don't ask for inclusion, they create their own economies. Building without permission is the new diplomacy. Sovereignty is not isolation, it is control over the terms of engagement.